have something to tell you. I can't believe I'm doing this. I am about to bleach my hair. I'm about to bleach my hair, and I never thought I would ever do this in my entire life. Like, I would always told myself I would never bleach my hair. That's damaging. I would never do that. But this time I'm going to do it. And the reason why is because I really want pink hair for the summer. The only way you could get there is you have to bleach it. Like, there's no way you can get that color without bleaching your hair. So I already got everything I needed. I got my bleach. I already got my developer. I got the color. This one is Coca-Cola, and then this one is pink blush. And I think it will fade out really nice. That's why I got it kind of darkish. Got my deep condition, because you already know after you bleach your hair. I got this, which is good for blonde hair. I don't know. I just got everything. I really wanted to do this for a while. Well, not for a while, but it was either, because in the summer I'm going to do pink hair and I want pink braids. So it's either I dye my hair black or I dye my hair pink. I thought, let's do pink. The worst way to do it. But everybody told me not to do it. And they should know by now, when you tell me not to do it, I'm going to do it. So I'm gonna test out a strand of my hair and we're gonna see. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. So I have a plastic bag on my head. I'm gonna leave it on for about 30 minutes. I already have this on for about 30 minutes and it is lightening up. Also, my mannequin is lightening up too. So I'm gonna give it at least like 10 more minutes, wash it out. Okay, I washed the deep condition out, so I think it's time for the color. It's still brassy, but there's nothing I can do about it unless I bleach twice, and I really don't want to do that because I don't want to damage my hair even more. It does feel softer because of the conditioner. It feels way softer. And I don't think my hair got damaged, really. Look at it. It's still got the curls a little. In the front, it was always straight like this. It was just always, I don't know. I'm starting to think my hair just grows that way because I've cut my hair a lot of times. But on the other hand, okay, still got the curls popping. Yeah, it's like a brassy orange. So I don't know how the pink is gonna do on this. Like, I really don't know. But this is the pink on this hair. It looks kind of reddish. So I'm just like afraid that's gonna be too red. So I'm going to mix some white conditioner on the color with the pink blush, and I'm gonna mix it also with this, and I'm gonna put a little bit of white conditioner in it just to make it a little bit, you know, lighter, because I don't want it to be on the red side because it already looks red. So it's already dripping. We are really doing this. We are really out here.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. It's like a hot pink-ish red. not the color I was going for, but I think after I wash it a bunch of times, it will fade out to the color that I want it to be. So, you know, like, subscribe, do all the things you're supposed to do, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Every night is cinematic when you roll with us, and we won't live